Alright, scholars, for the next example of a summary to review, we're going to examine this video here. This is a summary in image and text of the entire play with a little more detail and a little more action than the last telling, but I think it'll be just as fun. As you are examining this text, continue to read with purpose. Our purpose is to get an example of the summary while also being able to answer these questions. So add to the notes you've been taking. Where does the story take place? What happens in the story? Who is this story about? Does this video summary make me more interested in knowing more details? And what is affected about this video summary? If this summary works for you, gets you interested, gives you information, what worked best? Answer these questions as you follow along in the video, and then I'll meet you at the next slide. Go!